Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we will be discussing about how to add a sticky add to cart button on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So let's just begin. First, as you can see, I'm on my admin panel. You simply need to head over to your online store and themes, then click on customize. That will be showing up in here. As you can see, click on customize. Now you can see we have various options. So the current header is going to be the sticky format. If I click on my header, you can see if I scroll down, you have various properties, like for example, if I want to make it sticky, so we have that in here. You can see sticky header, and you can similarly add your add to cart button as well. Simply click on this add a section. So let's just do that, and here you can see we have various options showing up. We can add buttons as well in here, so choose whatever is going to be looking the best. We have various apps as well, so let's just go for, like for example, we have contact form, email sign up, and similarly you can add your custom liquid. So if you cannot find it, you can add your custom liquid and add your add to cart button in here, and then you can set it to sticky property. So it is pretty simple. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and that's how you can add a sticky add to cart button on Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.